If you're building a CANopen network, finding the right I/O hardware is one of the first real challenges that you'll run into. You see, most engineers assume they're going to have to source modules from multiple vendors, deal with compatibility issues between them, and figure out custom configurations on their own when things don't work together the way they should. But here's what most engineers don't realize. ICP DAS USA has been developing CANopen-certified I/O hardware since the company's inception, and their lineup covers every I/O use case you'll encounter on a real CANopen installation. Every module is certified, every module works with any standard CANopen master right out of the box, and every module is backed by free technical support from an actual engineering team. So in this video, we're going to be walking through 4 core CANopen I/O modules from ICP DAS USA, what each one is built for, and which one fits your specific application. And the one most engineers don't think to look for first is the CAN2026C. This is a mixed I/O client module that combines 6 channels of isolated analog input, 2 channels of isolated analog output, 1 digital input, and 2 digital outputs, all in a single module. Now, the reason why this one stands out is because most real installations have a mix of signals coming in and going out. So instead of running 2 separate modules for analog and digital, the CAN2026C handles both in one device, which simplifies your wiring, reduces your node count, and keeps the overall installation cleaner. It supports the standard 4 to 20 milliamp current input used across most industrial instrumentation, and it operates across the full industrial temperature range of -25 to 75 degrees Celsius. If you only take one thing from this video, knowing this module exists will save you unnecessary hardware on your next installation. Now, that's the most versatile module in the lineup, but the one you're going to reach for most often on a straightforward digital I/O application is the CAN2054C. This is the most commonly used module in the ICP DAS USA CANopen lineup, and for good reason. It gives you 8 channels of isolated digital input and 8 channels of isolated digital output on a single CANopen client module. If you need to monitor the status of switches, sensors, or discrete equipment states and drive digital outputs on the same device, this is the clean and straightforward choice. Now, what if your application only needs outputs and you need a lot of them? Well, that's exactly what the CAN2057C is built for. It gives you 16 channels of isolated open collector digital output on a single module, making it the right choice when you're driving relays, controlling lights, or switching resistance loads across a CANopen network, and you need more output channels than a mixed I/O module can give you. And like everything else in this lineup, it's certified and works with any standard CANopen master right out of the box. And the last module worth knowing about is one that solves a problem a lot of engineers don't anticipate until they're already on the site. The CAN2084C handles 4 or 8 channels of counter and frequency input over CANopen. If you're monitoring pulse outputs from flow meters, encoders, or any field equipment that generates a frequency or pulse signal, this is what connects your data to your CANopen network cleanly without needing a separate interface layer. It's one of those modules that doesn't come up in a conversation until somebody needs it. And when they need it, they really need it. So let's take a look at where we are now. You know the 4 core CANopen I/O modules in the ICP DAS USA lineup and exactly what each one is built for. Mixed analog and digital I/O in a single device with the CAN2026C, straight digital I/O with the CAN2054C, high channel count digital output with the CAN2057C, and counter and frequency measurement with the CAN2084C. Each one of these modules is DIN rail mountable, built for industrial environments, and fully CIA certified. And when you call ICP DAS USA's free technical support line, you're talking to an engineer who knows the product, not a call center reading from a script. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. Links to every single module that was talked about in this video will be in the description below. And if you want to see the full CANopen I/O remote I/O solutions lineup, you can head on over to icp-usa.com, or if you want more information from our team, you can contact us at sales@icp-usa.com.